Right, we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Take that bung out so I can use the extension speaker. I've not heard anything on it all day. Let's use the external mic. The internal mic does sound better usually, but we've got a coffin mic which I'll plug in instead, and we'll do the test on there for convenience. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger.
Plug your speaker in.
I have now.
Ready to go?
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that.
Have you got tone control?
Negative, not on this radio.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, petrol 143.9 and diesel 143.9.
Roger on that, they're the same.
Roger. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Going over the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, and I've actually finally managed to switch to high power and not low power, so you'll have your own to hear me.
Alright, I did nearly comment at Ancaster Crossroads. I thought the signal was noisier than it should have been.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, Tango 21. Got you round and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a one from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, Tango 21. got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
TRC1001 Unsportable. He's doing 3.5 watts and it's from 1981 over.
Yeah, roger that. Is your adapter tree a bit sketchy because you dropped out a couple of times there?
Yes, there's always a loss in the adapter tree.
Yeah, a couple of times your signal went all together though.
Oh, roger, okay. Well, yeah, I'll have to wiggle it in and out a bit.
Yeah, roger that. We're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over. Did you get my last? Tango 21, are you there?
Tango 21, got you at the Grayleys turn.
That was a long delay. Did you unplug something?
Just gone over to the internal mic from the external one over.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Tango 21 at the 5 mile point. So on the realistic TRC1001, doing 3.5 watts and it's going 760 milliamps. I'm going to switch it to low power, and low power is only 170 milliwatts on this set. So here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then back to the full watts, 3.5 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. No problem on high power, but as expected, low power, you just weren't getting through at all.
Okay, roger on that.
Roger.
Off you go when you're ready.
Right, we're on the move again.
Yeah, we got you on the move.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rorsby level crossing. Over.
Ready, got you going
Yeah, if I can remember. I think 146.7 for unleaded and 145.9 for diesel.
Okay, roger on that. Well, that concludes the set, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rorsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rorsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yeah, I can remember. I think 146.7 for unleaded and 145.9 for diesel.
Okay, roger on that. Well, that concludes the test, thank you.
Yeah, roger that.
10-10. Okay, that made my external mic was a bit iffy on its transmit switch, and it's a new mic. We only used it once before. Right, so there we are. So you'll have seen when I've edited this together, half of that video being done on the external mic for my convenience and the rest of it done on the internal mic. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like on both. Usually they have quite a bit of compression on the initial speech. When you go into transmit, you find on these sets you get until the AGC kicks in, it kind of sounds like it's gone over the top. Barnatone Route 66s do that as well. There are other sets that do that. But there you are. That's the Realistic 1001 brought back from the very dead. So that audio IC has been irreplaceable for 20 years, but we had a scrap chassis I'd bought in. So there we are.
Tango 21 testing the TRC1001 on the external microphone, and we'll pop that onto low power now. It is a hum test, so that's low power, which on this set's about 200 milliwatts. Back to the normal 3.5 watts, and then we'll go over to the internal microphone. And this is the internal microphone, which usually sounds better on these. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.3 to 1. As ever, thanks for watching.